Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to fan off of the strip. This is something that I didn't learn for a while because the first volume class I took didn't really teach this method at all. So I had been, you just do what you're taught initially. So once I learned this method, it became a lot easier for me to make higher dimension fans. So anything over a 5D was a lot easier once I figured out how to do this and had the right tools to do it. So I definitely would recommend doing this with a tweezer that has full closure. So what that means is not having to search around for the sweet spot. My tweezers that you can find on shoptnb.store, these are the L shape volume boot tweezers here. They close from tip to tip. So from end to end. If you're putting pressure and tension on the right spots, your tweezer will close entirely. All right. Make sure you keep all of the lashes together. This is a deep curl, so curliest curl we have.